you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Diverse Lifestyle, and today we are going to be talking about salad dressing. So right here I have salad dressing, which we are not going to use this in my salad, but I just wanted to let you guys know that this type of salad dressing is no good for you. If you look at the back, it has a lot of fat, sodium, and cholesterol. But it's unhealthy, fats. So we're just trying to make sure that we have healthy food into our diet, so we can promote healthy skin, healthy hair, and healthy. Here we have fresh romaine lettuce that I'm going to chop up. I already washed it, and now it's time to put in the bowl. You can cut them whatever size, bite size that you prefer. Alright. I don't really like this white part, so I'm not going to keep all of that in there. It's very bitter. So you could choose to keep it or toss it like me. I have a large family, so I'm going to cut 2 of them. Next, we're going to cut the orange bell pepper, but I'm only going to use half of it. I don't need the whole thing. You just take out the seeds. Alright. You could cut it however you like. I'm going to make mine a little small. We're just talking about bite size. Okay. Now let's get the tomato. Tomatoes could be a little messy when you cut them, but that's why I'm doing it. Oh no. Yes, I'm doing it now. So I can rinse this off so I can cut the next item. Again, we're just doing bite size. Next one. I don't know if you guys have tips on how to neatly cut tomatoes, please comment below. I think that was the best one right there. So I'm just gonna slide this in here. Alright, next we have the chives. Most people like myself cook with them, but they actually taste really good in a salad. It gives it that flavored onion taste, but not a yellow onion, because that's a little strong. This is a mild onion taste. Alright, and that's it for the fresh salad. Now let's get into the salad dressing. Here I have some fresh honey, raw, and then I'm gonna use pesto, which you can find at any store, or you can make it yourself. Pesto is normally made up of basil with olive oil, and then I have some fresh lemon. So we're just going to pour it on top. We're going to mix this at the end, so it does not have to be neat. Just want to get everything in there. It's going to be a tossed salad. And then with the lemon, you could just squeeze. I'm gonna take the seeds out. Or you could use a strainer. So if you don't have a strainer, you could do exactly what I'm doing right now. Squeeze it into a little bowl, and then you're gonna manually take out the seeds. You just pour it. And there you have it. Now we're just gonna toss it up some. All right, you guys, there you have it. So we're just gonna toss this up some. I'm just gonna use a fork. Doesn't have to be too fancy. And that's it. I'm gonna prepare this for me and James today. I like the extra tomato, so let me go find that, put some more in here. Hey y'all, so I have my husband here to try out my salad. He does not really like salad like that, so I have to impress him with my famous dressing. Right, James? All right, so you take the first bite.
You eat the shit first. You need to eat it first. Because you gotta make sure you ain't poisoning me.
Poisoning you? All right. So I'll take it. Mmm.
You lying.
It's a tomato. That's my favorite thing to eat. So.
That extra crab.
Yeah, you didn't even bite it. You looking at me crazy.
I can mess with it.
You can mess with it, he says.
Yeah.
You trying to live long, right?
I'm just hungry, that's why.
Oh, okay. Hey y'all, so if you want to check my new video out, wait, excuse me. Okay, see, he likes it, you guys. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share. I'll see you next time.